Hello there and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this series, I share my journey at Microverse as a Microverse student or as a Micronaut. This video is about week 15. It's the last week of the React module in which we had the Capstone project. I'm gonna share a walkthrough video about my project and my personal experience. Enjoy. Hello there, welcome to my project. Company Financial Insights is a web application that empowers users to visualize and analyze the financial performance of a group of technology companies. The application offers an intuitive interface to explore the revenue trends of individual companies over the past 5 years, presented in a visually appealing bar chart, which we're gonna see in a second. Users can delve deeper by selecting a specific year to gain access to comprehensive financial metrics for the chosen company during that period. The project is built using modern web technologies including React, Redux style components, and Tailwind, ensuring a robust and scalable solution. Extensive testing using Jest guarantees the reliability and quality of the application. Here's the live demo of the project. As we can see in the homepage, we have the navigation bar. We have the title, Check Tech Company's Financial Performance for the Past 5 Years. We have this list of companies, of course, it can be more. Here's a sorting or a search bar where, for example, if you are looking for Sony, it will bring it in the beginning. And when you want to check one company, so for example, let's say Sony again, you click the company and you are presented with this nice graph that shows you the revenue for the past 5 years. So as we can see, Sony's revenue in 2019 was 8,665,687. Now this number is actually in millions USD, so it's millions. You know, these big companies, they kind of, their figures are just hilarious. So here you are just presented with the revenue figures, okay? But if you are interested to see more about Sony in one of these years, these 5 years, let's say 2019. So if we went to 2019, then here we have a very extensive income statement where we can see more data. For example, what's the currency these numbers are presented in, their revenue, cost of revenue, gross profit, cost and expenses, etc. Now going to the code, I'm very proud of this project because it was very complicated and complex. So here we have the components. And one part that I'm very proud of, I did it for the first time, which is implementing the bar chart. And to make that happen, I needed to get the revenue numbers from the API call. The API call will get you many details about the company, but extracting only the revenue figures was not an easy task. So I built these functions, external functions, to help me filter the income statements, the company's array, to get the income statement of special year, get company URL, etc., to make the logic of the application. And easily, if I wanted to add a new company, I just need to add a new array, includes the name of the company and their symbol in the stock market. And I needed also to add them in the list, in my arrays of my list companies. So that's all for me. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like my project. In this Capstone project, I tried to do and add as much as I could from the beginning, so I don't need to come back in the future to fix it and add things like mobile support and making the design look better, etc. I try just to make it as good from the first try. Starting from the topic, usually in the Capstone projects, we are free to pick the topic. We would be given suggestions, but eventually it's up to us. I chose to go with the financial data since I have a master's degree in engineering business management and I actually can read these financial figures. So I thought, it might be a good idea to link my previous experience with the new one that I'm getting now. Second, the project requirements only asks for a home page and a details page, so only 2 pages. But as you could see, my project had 3 pages: the home page, the revenue figures with the bar chart and the number of years, and then the third page has the details. So I added 3 pages to make my project look or present in the best possible way. I enjoyed working in this capstone project. I made it in the most difficult way to myself. I got stressed with the workload, but once I'm done with it, I felt very proud and I felt my hard work was worth it, and I look forward to the next challenge. Again, the worst part in this project was testing. I thought I had a good relationship with testing, but nah. It's just annoying and I just can't get it completely. In general, this week was not hard at all. You can finish your capstone project in the easiest possible way, and it won't take you even 2 days. I have partners who finished this capstone project from the weekend, like even before we started the week. But for me, I just chose to take my time with it and do it in the most best way, in the most possible way, in the better way. Oh my god, rest in peace my English. Now I finished the React module. I have this week a break, the first break since I started. I'm thinking to make a video at the end of this week about the whole front end part. So if you have any questions, any ideas, anything you would like to know about Microverse experience, and you would like me to talk about it, you can add a comment here in Slack or anywhere. Finally, don't forget the like, subscribe and notifications bell. If you have any feedback about my videos, add a comment. Connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Have a beautiful day and happy coding.